Welcome to the review of Mi Bed Trimmer 1C. I have ordered this trimmer a few months ago and I have already posted an unboxing video and a first impression video of this trimmer. So I have been using this trimmer for about 2 months now and I will share opinions in this video. First of all, this is one of the best built trimmers in this budget. Even though it is made up of plastic, it is a very good plastic and it is very well constructed. And also the buttons and the dial feels nice. This trimmer is also water resistant, but there is an indicator showing it should not be exposed to water. The micro USB slot is a slightly old one, but it still have a small rubber cover for that water resistance. And also if we talk about other things such as the performance of this trimmer, it is one of the very most powerful trimmers in this budget with an inbuilt battery. The motor on this trimmer has less noise compared to other trimmers from Philips and all. And you can easily remove the blade and replace it if it's damaged. I have read a lot of reviews about the blade damaging, but in my usage everything seems fine. And it's also worth mentioning there's also a free cover with this trimmer, which is absent on many other brands trimmers. There's also a travel lock functionality which you can enable to prevent any accidental turning on of this trimmer. For around 899 rupees, this is one of the best trimmers under 1000 rupees category. But if you can spend more, for example, you can spend more than 1500, I will advise you to buy Realme trimmer instead. That one is a very special trimmer which doubles the battery capacity. That doesn't make this a bad trimmer at all. The design of this trimmer is worth mentioning because it is very good design, and being a Xiaomi product, you can easily avail the warranty or do any repairs. So that was my review about this Mi Trimmer 1C, which can be bought online for around 900 rupees, but you may see in high prices, so track the price every time. Thanks for watching and see you again in our next video.